So I'm going to be starting a new feature now at the start of my videos called Result of the Day, where I basically pick the best result from one of our BD members and we use that result to start my videos. Now today's result comes from, apologies, I'm not sure how I pronounce this, Oakley. Anyway, I'll read it to you and it's an incredible result. So this was a nice sell trade set up on Euro AUD, planned on the 30-minute charts yesterday in the evening. I spotted a nice head and shoulders pattern there, watched it on the 30-minute charts till it got broken and retested. Dropped to a 5-minute chart to get into my entry, 237 pips in the bag. I remember when I joined this group a couple of years ago, I literally knew nothing about the markets. I started trading the BD, jumping into trades once it met the rules. However, I wanted to understand the reasons why every arrow popped in the first instance. I didn't want to be that trader that jumped into trades because it crossed the moving average or an RSI has been overbought or oversold. Jamie Palmer made a couple of videos at the time on price action. I watched them and followed it up from there. Went further into understanding market structure and trends, as this is what constitutes the markets. Thank you, Jamie Palmer, and all the other admins that got me inspired in my trading journey and how to understand the markets. So yeah, this is a real good story to kind of show you that when it comes to trading, it's about a journey. It's about understanding and learning every single day. And off the back of my heart, absolutely congratulations to this person. This is what actually dedication and patience and discipline can achieve. Even though it took him a couple of years, you know what, those skills and that skill that he's learnt now is going to be with him for the rest of its life. So congratulations to you. Oh, we're live. Hi everyone, it's Jamie Palmer here from FX Learning and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. Now, I'm not going to be doing any live trading for you today, mainly because I had such a good day yesterday and a good week last week. I'm going to take the day off today. Basically, this month is all of price action month in the Binary Destroyer group, where we focus purely on price action, market structure, support and resistance, trend lines, pivot points, Fibonacci levels, everything to do with price action, we're covering it. So this week, I want to smash out the training videos, smash out the webinars. So I'm taking a step back today, not doing any trading. And yeah, but I thought I will show you some of the incredible results today from the Binary Destroyer. Just kind of show you what trades I have missed. And I'll show you the structure around it, the support and resistance, and the trades you should be taking. And yeah, I'll just show you some good setups. So first of all, on USD Chef, okay, 5-minute charts, and we've got 3 setups back to back, okay. Now, let's just have a look at them, okay. Let's break them down, and we'll go over why each setup is good. Now, first of all, we want to go to the higher time frames, okay. Just have a look and mark, oh my god, that, everyone, is a beautiful sell signal. Okay, so let me just mark up my charts here. I'm not going to take any trades, but if I was going to take a trade, it would be on a sell on USD Chef right now. Okay, so you can see this nice area of resistance. Okay, resistance here, touch, price broke it, became support. If I just mark it up, you can see here we had a break, a bounce, then price broke above it, then it became support, and then obviously the markets crashed, and then the markets pulled back, and now we're back up to this resistance line. Okay, so being a patient trader like you are, what do? You go down to the 5-minute charts, and there, everyone, would be your signal to sell the market. Okay, beautiful signal, okay, at a resistance line. Also looking at the RSI, it's overbought. You know what? Patience is key. And this is what I say to every single trader. Okay, patience pays off. Okay, learning patience is a skill on its own. If you can learn to do it, you can learn to kind of sit there and wait for price to come to you. Believe me, it pays off. Okay, this is one of these setups here. Okay, where would you? You set your stop loss above the high, so your stop loss would be here. Okay, and then like I said, your target probably around, I mean, this is maybe a stop loss of around let's say 15 pip stop loss, you know, this trade easily went to 34 pips. So a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Okay, now notice this setup here. Would we take this? Of course we would, because this is with the trend. Because if I actually just go back in my charts like this, you would have seen the big push up here. You would have obviously sold from the resistance line, got your pips, and then this signal would have popped just here, and you would have gone, that's with the trend. Hello, you know, I'm going to go take a trade with the trend. Again, you know, you could have easily got some back-to-back setups there. So very, very, very nice sells and buys on USD Chef. Let's have a look at EURUSD. How well has EURUSD been performing? Okay, so we've got two setups here. Let's break them down again. Let's go over to the higher time frames. And let's mark our support and resistance. Okay, so let's just slightly mark them. Okay, I'm just gonna mark my support and resistance. We'll go down to the lower time frames. Have we got any sells there? So a small little signal there. Okay, we've definitely got one. We've definitely got one at the bottom here. Okay, almost like a kind of double top bottom here. You can see here our price has come down. So same again, go down to the 5-minute charts. Have we got any signal arrows on the 5-minute charts? Yes, we have, everyone. We've got two. If I zoom in here, you can see that one here and you can see that one here. So good. Okay, how do we play these? Again, stop loss below the low. So let's just say we go with a 17 pip stop loss. I mean, you could go 50, let's say 15 pip stop loss. This trade went 32 pips. So again, 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Again, at the bottom here, 20 pip stop loss. This trade went to 46 pips. Notice how we've come back down, retouched that support area. We haven't got a signal arrow, but if we did, that would be another sell opportunity there. Yeah, you know, pretty simple. Okay, draw your support and resistance and mark up where you want to be doing. Let's have a quick look at USD/JPY. Okay, again off the bat, okay, I don't need to go to the higher time frames. I can see a nice support and resistance area here. Okay, again, you know, how do you trade this? Stop loss below the low. So let's say 7 pip stop loss. This trade went 10 pips. Now, also, you'll notice I've got the ASI indicator on here as well. This is something we're testing in the BD group. It helps us filter out good setups, bad setups with the trend. And I'll show you, let's just have a quick look on here. So that's a definite buy. And this here, okay, this is the perfect example of a trade you would not take with the new ASI. And then funny enough, that trade was a loss. So this ASI indicator is working really, really well. The way, obviously, you know, I'm not going to explain to you too much about this. We'll cover it in a separate video. But that is a real nice buy setup there. ASI confirms that. We've got support area. We've got a Mogwai arrow, BD arrow outside the zone. That is a really good setup. So yes, BD members, price action month tomorrow is going to be a training video all about top-down analysis. So I'm going to show you how to do a top-down analysis, because I believe the biggest confusion a lot of traders have is two things. Okay, when they're doing a top-down analysis, is what are they actually looking for on the higher time frames? Okay, so I'm going to cover that. And also, have you ever tried to do a top-down analysis? The 1 hour is telling you it's an uptrend, 30 minutes telling you it's a downtrend, 5 minutes telling you it's side to side. What's happening? Is it uptrend, downtrend, side to side? Who knows? So I'll show you exactly how to do a top-down analysis properly, like a professional, so you can mark up your charts like I do, and then hopefully make consistent profits with the BD. So yes, hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.